Good morning.
Good morning. What do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do light exercise for 15 minutes.
That's good. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and tea.
Nice. I have toast and milk.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 o'clock.
Okay, have a great day.
You too?
Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's going on?
We need to finish the house chores today.
Sure. Let's divide the work.
Can you sweep and mop the floor?
Yes, I can do that after breakfast.
I will wash the dishes then.
Please also clean the kitchen counter.
Okay, I'll do that.
Should I dust the furniture too?
Yes, the furniture is very dusty.
No problem. I'll dust it carefully.
I also need to do the laundry.
Don't forget to separate white and colored clothes.
Thanks for reminding me.
Who will make lunch today?
I'll cook lunch after finishing the laundry.
Great. I'll help you with cutting vegetables.
That will save a lot of time. I'll organize the cupboards.
The trash also needs to be taken out.
I'll take the trash outside.
Thank you for doing so much work.
You are helping too, so it's fair.
Working together makes chores easier.
Yes, and the house looks clean and neat.
Let's relax after finishing everything.
Please follow my channel. Thank you for watching.